Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is episode 2 of my Integra restoration videos. I finally was able to organize some stuff, but in the end it's still disorganized since I had to remove a lot of things in the car. The car right now, it's almost 100% gutted on the inside. I removed all the panels, most of them. As you can see, it's pretty gutted all around in the interior. Now I gotta clean the whole interior really good, disinfect everything inside, and get it ready for paint. Probably gonna paint the whole interior for the gutted look flat gray. Let's see how that goes. This right here is the floor carpet. It's a real mess. It's pretty nasty. Took the front seats out. I still got a lot to go. A lot of things to do in this car. It's already getting a bit late. I'll start to finish my work for today. I was able to degrease and clean out the interior a little bit after removing the carpet. I still gotta clean the front part. I gotta get rid of all that nastiness in the front. But from here to the back, I already did my first attempt at getting it clean really good. I'm gonna try to paint it, like I said before, flat gray. I'm probably gonna have to remove the headliner next, which is pretty messed up. Today I was able to clean up a little bit better. The whole interior is pretty much all gutted out. As you can see, I was also able to take out the headliner. I'm probably gonna throw that headliner away. Now I gotta start removing all that heat protection tape I had on. So after taking off the headliner, I was debating if I was gonna remove the sound deadening of the floor, because it actually takes a lot of time. It's very time consuming. So I started doing it on the trunk area. I was able to remove all the sound deadening over here, and I like how it looks. It looks cleaner, and it's gonna look way better when I paint the whole interior of the car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start scraping out all the sound deadening from the car. What I used was a product. It's called Freeze Off. This one right here, Freeze Off. It's a super penetrating oil. Just spray it like 3 times on the area that you want to scrape off for the sound deadening. And then I just took the pry bar and used it as a chisel with a rubber mallet and start chipping and scraping off all the sound deadening away. It's not very hard, but it's just very time consuming. So all you guys that want to remove that on your Honda builds, just use this and a chisel, or a pry bar like me, and a rubber mallet. Now I started doing the rear seats deadening. This side is coming out pretty easy. It's coming out faster than the one in the trunk area. You can see here, this is how I do it. This is how I'm doing it with a pry bar. Sometimes I gotta smack it with the mallet on the back. But this one's coming out pretty fast. Alright, so I was able to remove most of the sound deadening from the back area, which is what I was planning on doing. Now I gotta check the harness since the car is not sparking. I gotta figure that out now, but it's pretty much clean after days and nights of working on it, cleaning everything out, taking all the dust out and all the gunk it had in it since the car was sitting for a long time. So it's coming along pretty good, I would say. So since I finally figured out why the car is not sparking, I found all the wires chewed up, all the wires that go to the firewall area and to the backside of the fuse box. It's literally all chewed up there, probably rats or mice. Now I'm gonna have to replace the whole harness, I guess. So it's time to start taking out everything from the engine bay, start cleaning out the engine bay and get it ready for paint and for a new engine harness, and fix anything else I find in the wire harness that needs to be repaired. So that's going to be our next step with this car. A tool that I really want to recommend is this light here. It's a Milwaukee light. It uses an M18 battery. This is the box right here. This is the model number for it. I'm probably going to put it on the link description or somewhere here in the video later on. It's pretty good. I really recommend it, and the battery lasts a lot. I literally have charged it like one time only, and I've been working on the car for more than a week. So yeah, I really recommend this Milwaukee light right here. It's pretty good, pretty handy for those that like to work on their garages or even outside. If you don't have a garage, it doesn't really matter because it's portable. It actually uses you could use the M18 battery on it, or you could use electricity. So it has two ways of getting power to it. I really recommend it. It's pretty good, pretty awesome. So that's pretty much it for this episode on my Integra rebuild. If you guys have any questions, any comments, make sure to write it down in the comment section. I'll be sure to look them up. And if you guys want to support me, support my channel and the Honda community, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one, guys.